Hey everyone, it's me Rishi, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your boring photos look good in Lightroom. So let's get started. What I do in most of my edits is that I try to make the photo a bit dark and keep the subject at the center and darken the background. So that's what I'm going to do with my photos today. So now I'm just gonna copy all those settings and just make sure to uncheck the exposure because every photo has a different exposure. And that's it. Now I'm just gonna paste these settings to other photos. Yeah. So as you can see, it's very dark right now, so I'm gonna bring up the shadows as well as the blacks a bit and increase the exposure. There is still something missing in this photo as there is no particular subject in this photograph. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some text in this photo, and for that I'm gonna use Snapseed. So let's get into Snapseed. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and I'll see you next week.